Hello, I'm Richard Wilson, Chief Executive of Interactive Investor. At II, one of our core interests is supporting and protecting the rights of the retail shareholder. As a shareholder, you have individually and collectively significant influence over the behaviour and direction of the companies you own shares in, whether it be about the matters that you care about personally or simply to ensure that your rights are protected. The surest way to make sure that your voice is heard is to vote. What is II doing about it? Well, apart from appealing and bringing awareness to this key issue, we provide a full and free voting service for all our customers where you'll be communicated with about upcoming votes and provide information about the results of those votes. All you need to do is to sign up to our free service and the rest will come to you. This is about choice, not obligation, so please preserve that option by signing up to the voting service today. Thank you for watching and thank you for investing with Interactive Investor.